In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice template in Jobber. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to Jobber, this guide will help you navigate the steps effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Jobber. Once you've located the official site, click on it to access the login page. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in with your existing credentials. If you're new to Jobber, you'll need to sign up to get started by providing the necessary information. This will give you full access to all the features Jobber has to offer, including customizing your invoice templates. Upon logging into your Jobber account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you will see a gear icon, also known as the settings icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. Select the Settings option from that menu to proceed. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account settings and tailor them to better fit your business needs. Now, on the Settings page, look for a section labeled Business Profile. Once you've found it, scroll down until you come across Client Documentation Settings. This part of the process brings you closer to the customization features where you can refine your invoice templates. Keep in mind that this area also contains other relevant documentation settings that might inform how you style other client-facing materials. Next up, you need to click on Edit Settings. This action will open up different customization options. Choose between the Quotes or Invoices tab, depending on what you need to modify. If you're specifically looking to adjust your invoices, select the Invoices tab. This selection will reveal various customization options, allowing you to alter the appearance and details of your invoice template to your liking. Once you're within the customization section, go ahead and make changes to the template. This includes adjusting the header to incorporate your company's branding, modifying the content to ensure clarity and precision in detailing the charges, and refining the footer to add any additional information. Don't forget to take a good look at the terms and conditions. Customize these to suit the nature of your business agreements with clients. Don't rush this part because attention to detail here can make a significant difference in how your invoices are perceived by your clients. Additionally, take advantage of the preview option that Jobber provides. Previewing your changes before finalizing them is crucial. It helps you see exactly how your invoices will appear to your clients. If everything looks good and professional, go ahead and save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully edited your invoice template in Jobber, and your customized, professional-looking invoices are ready to be shared with your clients. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.